you've all had a big part by remembering to bring the gifts in today, and thank you parents for all that you've brought in as well. It's truly wonderful, and I have to say what a fantastic assembly you did just then. It was brilliant, really enjoyable. But thank you from everybody at Worthing Church's Homeless Project for supporting us once again. It makes a huge difference, so thank you.
Harvest is a really busy and important time for us as a charity. Obviously, as the weather is turning for the clients, it's a great motivator to see all the support that we get from the community of Worthing and the outside areas. We get lots of donations of food as well as blankets and sleeping bags, which are all very important. All of the food donated goes to all of the projects at Worthing Churches, so food donated to St Clair's could be used in meals over at one of our hostels. We provide cooked meals here as well as the cooked breakfast. Just everything is used. We have ex-clients cooking food for current clients. It's all very community based, and everyone is very aware at all times obviously that what they're eating has come from the goodness of someone else's heart. So it's a very heartwarming time, Harvest at St Clair's.